Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi for those of you who know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre in the style of Sephina. So go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 2-4 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up.
Hey miss, can I get your name? And last name ain't pain, but I'll buy you a drink. Yeah, I hit the hanky pank. I got a couple pesos sitting in my bank. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. 40 hours on my John Deere, 40 hours on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here, they can tell I ain't from round here. But I can hit the two-step better than the rest. Call me Lil Hank, bandana around my neck. 40 hours on my John Deere, they can tell I ain't from round here. Riding on a tractor, trying to attract her. She's a country girl trying to get her master's. She got a man, but he really ain't a factor. I'm the cowboy who's got her heart beating faster. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. 40 hours on my John Deere, 40 hours on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here, they can tell I ain't from round here. But I can hit the two-step better than the rest. Call me Lil Hank, bandana around my neck. 40 hours on my John Deere, they can tell I ain't from round here.
Las mujeres de España, Argentinas y Dominicanas, de Perú y Guatemala, Venezuela, Cuba y Ecuador, de Chile y Paraguayas, uruguayas y colombianas, México, Nicaragua y El Salvador. Llevan en la sangre el ritmo y el calor. Mira, ya te cuento, su veneno es mi adicción. Baile, fuego y movimiento lento, lento. Son puro amor, mujeres latinas son lo mejor. Son corazón, candela que brilla, flama divina. Son emoción, las musas que dictan esta canción. Son bendición, mujeres latinas, su ritmo es mi pasión. Por fin el fin de semana, yo me preparo para salir con calma, emocionado, bien perfumado, pa' que las mujeres me vean presentado. Son las latinas la octava maravilla, brillan y con sus besos todo lo hacen vibrar. Puerto Rico, Belice, Bolivia y Panamá, bien tú sabes que te van a conquistar. En Costa Rica, Honduras y aún hay más, Italia, Francia, Brasil y Portugal. Son puro amor, mujeres latinas son lo mejor. Son corazón, candela que brilla, flama divina. Son emoción, las musas que dictan esta canción. Son bendición, mujeres latinas, su ritmo es mi pasión. Oh, oh, oh. Su ritmo es mi pasión. Y este flow va pa' todas las latinas que le dan al mundo todo su calor. But keep it low, que te bailan despacito y te derriten just al ritmo del dembow. La sangre les hierve y se pone caliente. Mire que se siente. Chiquita, no respondo, no me tiente. Son puro amor, mujeres latinas son lo mejor. Son corazón, candela que brilla, flama divina. Son emoción, las musas que dictan esta canción. Son bendición, mujeres latinas, su ritmo es mi pasión. Oh, oh, oh. Su ritmo es mi pasión. Oh, oh, oh.
Here, I want to show you something.
This is for you. Yeah. She got got a smile, got me waiting for the weekend. Couple texts, spend a check, tell her bring a friend. She got a taste on her lips like a sweet blend. Leaving work early just to see you again. Like I got somebody, let them all know like I blew confetti. What you got, little Nas gon' get 'em. Top 10 billboards already read it now. Oh, what you know, where the kitties at, walking up on the toes. What you say when the living don't stop, I be making my way, yeah. So what you wanna when you wanna say, she'll laugh right back and pass one. So what you wanna when you wanna say, she'll laugh right back and pass one. Go get 'em, go get 'em, go get 'em, go get 'em. Break it out like girl can act. Bring it on up like damn that ass. Girls gon' check 'em out, bounce my pad. Sipping my drink like clown can dance, go dumb. I've been tweaking till the morning. I be rolling, but the pens got me writing off like a throne gon' get it. Beer throne, let it hang, girl gon' set it down. She got a smile, got me waiting for the weekend. Couple texts, spend a check, tell her bring a friend. She got a taste on her lips like a sweet blend. Leaving work early just to see you again. I was rolling up east side. They was barking like dogs from the other night. Jump aside, roll with me and live a little bit. Couple girls that I know, they was talking venomous. Hands gripped tight on the hips. Blue red lights than we did, yeah. Spin myself quicker than I'm talking. Now she's calling me Buster, yeah. Oh, what you know, where the kitties at, walking up on the toes. What you say when the living don't stop, I be making my way, yeah. She got a smile, got me waiting for the weekend. Couple texts, spend a check, tell her bring a friend. She got a taste on her lips like a sweet blend. Leaving work early just to see you again. She got a smile, got me waiting for the weekend. Couple
So now you have watched me install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the unit. The unit does come with 3 combs and adjustable straps. 1 comb here, 1 comb here, 1 in the back, as well as adjustable straps. The unit is 28 inches and the color that I got is DRFF Ginger Cocoa Brown. This is what the unit looks like. Specs about the unit. It is 28 inches. It has HD transparent lace. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It says it's skillfully handcrafted for a natural hairline to achieve the beauty and style you always wanted. Do love the lace, but the density right here, like close to the lace and the part area, needs to be plucked. I don't know how to do that, so of course it looks rather thick. The hair does look like a yucky texture to me. It does tingle and it does shed, but I think that is expected for the length of the unit, and it is big and friendly. It is big and friendly if you just lay down right here, because the lace is also HD transparent lace, so it makes it easier for a seamless blend. It does come with natural baby hairs, which I didn't utilize all the way through because I only laid it down right here. The length is 28 inches. I don't like long hair, so you know this is not my forte, but I do love the color. And again, the color I have is DRFF Ginger Cocoa Brown, like this right here, like a peekaboo. That's what I like, just the color right here to go peekaboo. Yeah, I mean it's a fun unit if you like long hair. Where would I wear this unit to? Nowhere, because I don't like long hair. But I will be giving this unit a 7.5 because it tingles, it sheds, it's long, and yeah, I think that's the only points I'm gonna take away from it. So I would give it a 7.5. Leave me a comment down in the comment section what you thought about this color. I've never reviewed a color like this before, DRFF Ginger Cocoa Brown. So leave me a comment down below if you thought this color was different, if it's something that I should continue reviewing if I were given the opportunity. Let's go ahead and talk about this wig down in the comment section. So if you got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, comment on the video, share the video. And if you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next wig. Bye, guys.